Good afternoon, all dignitaries and all participations. I am Santosh Thakre as a librarian, KKH Arts, SMGL Commerce, and SPS Jain Science College, Chandwad, uh, District Nasik. My present topic in doctoral thesis in economics in the form of digital repository at Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University, Nanded, a study. My topic in highlight introduction, aims and objective of the study, research methodology, data analysis and interpretation, finding and conclusion. The Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University, Nanded, now for outstanding educational quality and facility at all lives in almost all the major disciplines of study from the Maharashtra. 20 universities are imparting regular economics education and 2 universities are distant education. One of them is Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University, Nanded. The paper study covered 129 doctoral theses in economics from Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University, Nanded during the 1997 to 2020. It has been used to analyze the research program offered by economics. This paper clearly projects with relevant statistical tables the output of Department of Economics in Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University, Nanded for the past 24 years. My subject topic objective is aim and objective the first to track the research activity conduct in Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University, Nanded in economics subject. To find out has already been submitted the thesis and allows to keep will information up to date. Third, to create awareness of research in the field of economics in Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University. Fourth, to provide statistical information on thesis submitted to Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University, Nanded. Fifth, to find out the top 10 ranking of research guidance. Sixth, to understand the contribution by research supervisions. Seventh, to study research growth and development in economics. Research methodology. This study is research methodology in the descriptive research methods. And the data analysis, there are 129 PhD degree awarded so far in economics domain. The author has made the attempt to consolidate all the doctoral degrees awarded in the year 1997 and 2020. The data were analyzed and presented fewer than 5 heads, year-wise, guide-wise, gender-wise, language-wise, and subject-wise distribution. Data analysis is the 6-year-wise growth of PhD thesis in economics. The 6-year-wise distribution of the PhD thesis in Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University, as we can see from the table, there are quite a number of PhD produced after the year 2009. Further, it is evident from the table that 15.38 of the research output was made during the period 2003 and 2008. At another 22.48 of the research output was made during the previous 6 years. Ranking wise supervisors PhD thesis. This table is show the table is indicates that the guide wise output of doctoral thesis. uh, Shinde BK has successfully guided for the 14 doctoral degrees, and Chaudhary RM, Pedgaonkar Sriram L, Moite CR, and Takle SR is the second place with 7 doctoral theses. Sable MS and Sukle VV, Patil LH and Patil KK is the third place with 6 doctoral theses. Paude BB and Munde MM is the fourth place with 5 doctoral theses. This clearly indicated that the research scholars and the hands of the output also considered. Gender wise distribution of research supervisors. The gender show the distribution of this by gender. Similarly, the gender of the research supervisor who guide this relevant that the majority of 40% were male and 0% while female respectively. The gender wise distribution of researchers show the distribution of by gender. Similarly, the gender of the researchers who presented the thesis relevant that majority 140 were male while 15 were female respectively. Language wise analysis of PhD thesis, it has been observed for that the table 5.6 the minimum thesis where 22 thesis in English language is 7.05% and 107 thesis in Marathi language in is 82.95%, and none of the Hindi language was used by any research. Subject-wise analysis of the PhD thesis, the study emphasis of perspective of this research activity in economics. So far, 120 PhD theses were produced in economic subject. The above data indicate the maximum research was carried out in the area of social economics. 43 theses representing 33.33% were awarded doctoral degrees. Next to agriculture with a total of thesis, 24 theses representing an 18.60%. Good number of PhD theses produced in the field of development, public finance, labor economics, industrial economics, environmental economics, in the international economics, macroeconomics, and microeconomics. This finding and conclusion, total number of 120 PhD theses have been done economics from the 1997 to 2020 Swami Ramananda Tirtha University. The finding is follows. The first research in economics in Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada Nanded is the recent phenomena, history of 24 years. Second, the university has changed to orders and norms for registration of research for the getting admission on doctoral studies. To growth in economics research conduct at Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University is the recent phenomena over 24 years. Last to mention the quality of research in Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University, the university's authorities have to give a serious thought and implementation, creation change, and make norms for the admission of PhD course. The research output has increased. Next, the maximum research was carried out in the area of social economics and agriculture economics. Last, most of the theses are submitted in Marathi language. Therefore, it is recommended that the research productivity in English language and Hindi language should be increased by the University. Thank you. Any have questions?